Hello, ninth graders. Today I'm going to talk to you about your pre-ACT test scores. In front of you should be your score report and your test booklet. I'm going to review the score report so you know how to read it. First, find this chart on your score sheet. You will see your composite in each section of the test you took. Your composite is the average of your math, science, English, and reading scores rounded to a whole number. Your STEM score is the average of your math and science scores. Your scores are between 1 and 30. 1 is the lowest score you can receive, and 30 is the highest you can receive. Pre-ACT takes the number of questions you got correct in each section and translates them to a number between 1 and 30. This is called a scale score. It is best to think of each of your scores as a range rather than a precise point. Your score ranges are shown in the lighter blue boxes below your score. The heavy darker blue line in the box is your calculated scale score. The graph also indicates light gray lines with a number next to it. These are the readiness benchmarks. You can compare your score ranges with the readiness benchmarks to see if you are on track with your ACT testing done in 11th grade. You want your score range to be at or above the gray line with the benchmarks next to it. So looking at the math for this student is at or above the benchmark in science. In math, sorry. In science, they are below the college readiness benchmark because their dark blue line is below the pre-ACT readiness benchmark. Reminder that this is just a practice test. You won't take the ACT until the spring of your junior year. That test will better determine your college admission and scholarships. The pre-ACT is just practice. You still have plenty of school to complete and knowledge to gain, so don't worry. The next thing I want you to look at is your predicted ACT composite score range. These results are at the bottom of your first page with these two different graphs. If your score is in the upper to mid-20s, you are doing exceptional in those specific areas. The higher number you get, the better chance you give yourself for college admission and scholarships. If your predicted score range is below a 21, you can enhance your score by participating in extra preparation before your junior year. Your scores predict how you are likely to do if you took the ACT as a junior. You can improve your score by studying for the ACT, taking challenging courses, taking ACT prep courses, etc. Your predicted score range is only an estimate and not a guarantee. What is great about this test is the ability to see what areas of strengths and weaknesses you have so you can continue to learn more about that area. Below your predicted pre-ACT composite score range is the detailed pre-ACT results. There you will find a list of topics covered by questions in each of the 4 subject tests. Next to each topic will be the number of questions you got right on that topic out of how many questions were asked on that topic. So this person got a 13 out of 21 on their math section. The report also shows the percentage of questions they got right. So in preparing for higher math, they got 13 out of 21, which is 62% correct. Number and quantity, they got 100% correct, 3 out of the 3 questions correct. Algebra, 3 out of the 5, 60% correct. The bar graph helps you see what areas you are strongest in and areas that you need improvement on. This visual helps you see what you did well and what you can improve on. One thing to note is that math, you are probably going to start learning geometry, statistics, other types of math skills your sophomore, junior year. So you still have time to prepare and continue to learn. On page 2, we did not complete the career interest portion of the pre-ACT, so you can review this world of work map, and you can also take the career college planning assessment through ACT at www.act.org/collegeplanning. And that will help you complete the career inventories and find what occupations might be right for you. On the third and fourth page of your score report, you can review your answers you gave on a pre-ACT. This is a really unique opportunity to review what you got right and what you can improve on. Check out those answers that you got wrong and look at the test booklet to see where you got it wrong. This is a great way to review your test and continue to get better for the future. Take this home, look at it over with your parents. I would encourage you to review your answers and reach out to your counselor for more information on how you can better prepare for the ACT. We have test prep material in the library, counseling office, and on our counseling webpage. Finally, here are your counselor's contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions about the ACT or anything else. We are here to help.